Hey guys, and welcome back. We are right now at our North Ridgeville, Ohio location, and behind me, we're going to take a look at this MESA Ridge 374 BHS. It's a fifth wheel. It has tons to offer. I promise you're going to want to keep watching, so let's go. What are you guys waiting for? Come on. Now into the beautiful living space. We're starting in the kitchen. We have the big farm sink in the front with your stainless steel appliances. A lot of dishes can fit in here, but that just means more dishes to fill, but we don't care. Also with this island, there is some extra counter space on the side, so you do have a little bit of prep space over here. And you're also getting a drying rack. You can obviously remove it, but laying it down, you can wash your dishes, dry them here. Pretty convenient. Also have your pantry, which is coming with a lot of storage space, super deep shelves, and also your washer and dryer prep. Sounds pretty convenient to me because you can sit in the living area, watch TV while you fold. Everything's right where you need it, and all you have is 10 steps away to put all your clothes away. I have a 4-top stove cooktop. This is something you're gonna see in a really nice house in like Calabasas, but you're getting it right here in this Mesa Ridge. The luxury of RV camping is you can literally go wherever you want. The world is your oyster. You also have your oven and a very generous sized microwave. Now we're just gonna really absorb this refrigerator because it's huge. The light fixtures are, flies, get out, no one invited you in. Fixtures are stunning, and you're also getting a lot of cabinetry space. And the cabinetry, can we just a moment for it? Beautiful. We love the black appliances on the wood, and you have more prep space over here. If you thought the island with the sink was all you're getting, no. You're getting more prep space over here, and it's also a good spot for your coffee maker. I love a good little coffee bar, and you can have it going right here in this fifth wheel. Now for the entertainment area, you're getting a very large sofa. It's a U shape, so you're getting that extension on both sides. There's room for everybody, and I fear this is a perfect napping couch. And obviously, what's the point of a couch if you're not going to have a beautiful entertainment center in front of you? You're getting a massive Connex TV with your fireplace and also a Furon speaker. Invite your friends, invite your family, invite whoever the heck you hang out with. Get them in this Mesa Ridge, get the party going, put your favorite game on, get the drinks, get the chips. This is like the perfect tailgating fifth wheel. And moving along, you do have extra organization space in this corner. You're gonna check out probably where you're gonna put your kiddos. Let's go. Check it out. This bunkhouse is its own mini apartment because you also are getting a bathroom. It's minus the kitchen, but the kitchen's, it's 2 steps away. Just holler for your parents, have them bring your stuff in. It's luxury, kids. So much sleeping space. You have the 2 top bunks, the dinette that actually will switch into a sleeping space. And you have a couch over here that, again, these cushions are so cozy. You can definitely pass out on the couch. Behind me, you have organization space for your toys, your clothes, video games. Now we're gonna turn around and check out this bathroom. Get yourself a little half bath. You have some storage space, counter space, medicine cabinet, your sink, and your toilet. It's perfect. You don't have to wait. I know sometimes having one bath, especially with kids, can be a little tricky, but it's convenient to have this half bath in the bunkhouse, so the kids are just literally maybe 1 or 2 steps away. And did I mention this was a 2022? You wouldn't have been able to tell. That's how nice this fifth wheel is. It is a pre-owned 2022 Mesa Ridge, so you're gonna get it for a good price. The main bathroom. This is the full bath with the shower. You have your sink, medicine cabinet, your toilet. The only addition that's different than the half bath is this shower, and may I say, it is a big shower. You also have a little bit of space as well for extra things. Be made as a vanity, just an extra space for everything that you maybe don't want to have just out to show. It's in its own little cubby spot. And what I like is just how that half bath is connected to the bunkhouse. This full bath is connected to the master bedroom. So let's go. I find having the bathroom connected to your room so convenient because you don't have to disrupt everyone else if you have to go. But this master bedroom, you're getting a RV King, storage above, USB and outlets for all your devices that need charged, or if you want to bring a side lamp or whatever you need. You're also getting massive wardrobe. The full doors are mirrors. So even if you don't want to, you're gonna see what you look like when you get up. closet has space for hanging clothes, but it also has some sections where you can fold clothes. You have a good amount of shelving. And there you have it. That is the 2022 Mesa Ridge 374 BHS. This fifth wheel is at an MSRP of $69,995, but don't worry because on our lot, we have you at $61,995. That's some savings. So if you are interested in this fifth wheel, we are at our North Ridgeville, Ohio location. Come on down, find a product specialist, and have them walk you through potentially your dream RV. See you guys next time.